Everyone, so welcome to my academy, which is ACS Goa, which stands for Academy of Combat Sports, and this is my arena where I train. So let me introduce myself. I'm Erica Squera. I'm 15 right now, and I am an international athlete. I've done 15 internationals, and I have represented my country internationally for 15 times. And the disciplines I practice is MMA, which stands for Mixed Martial Arts. We have BJJ, which is Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, which is a submission martial art. And lastly but not the least, my martial art from where I origin, which is TIMD, which stands for Tongil Mudo, which is a South Korean unified martial arts system. And I really enjoy training all of these martial arts disciplines. And I train under Coach Ronak Singh, who is an international coach, and he's a world-class coach. He has trained many international athletes, national athletes, and he is a really awesome coach. And I'm really grateful to train under my academy and train under my coach. Now, in a few moments, I will show you my moves. So let's go. So hope you like all my moves which I have shown y'all. So now I have a humble request. Please don't try this at home, because for this you need professional guidance and good amenities around you. So I would request you all not to try this at home. And yes, I am calling out all of you all to join my academy, Academy of Combat Sports. If you like and if you really want to experience all of these techniques and all of these moves, please do join our academy. Is ACS in Old Goa, Kadamba Plateau, and it is near to Gera School above KFC. So you can of you all to join. And over here we have different training programs specialized for all of you all. I am calling and inviting all of you all to join my academy, especially from the age group of 3 to 16, which will be the training session will start from 3 or 4 to 6 o'clock. And if you're an adult or looking forward to train with us, we have classes from 7 to 9 o'clock. And if you're looking for personal training or a competition level training, yes, we do have all of these training sessions. Please do contact us for further details, and yes, the contact number is given on the screen. And stay tuned and watch our new upcoming series over here. And yes, I'm here, Erica, to teach you the importance of martial art, to teach you the science and philosophy of martial art, and trust me, I'll make you love martial arts. So stay tuned till then, take care, bye bye.